You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Can I start? I was when I was in primary school, I was impressed by my teacher the most. She was very kind and lovely in nature. Her personality is very kind. When I face problem, she was actually my science teacher, and her name was Miss Aisha. When I face problem, one time I faced problem in science, and she helped me and point out my mistakes very kindly. She also give a proper attention and care to her students, and when they face problem, she try to explain them with a happy face, and also provide examples so that student could understand the lesson properly. Um, Her personality is also very jolly. She has a good sense of humor, and when she talks and explain examples, she also use examples that are funny so that students can easily understand. And I was also impressed. Another quality that I was impressed by her was her good writing. When she has a good writing, and when she write letters on the board, it was in joining, and her writing was very pretty, and it is often understand by all the students, and when she writes, it is clearly seen. And her method of teaching is also very good. She when she explain um, she often provide she is very unique, and she
Okay,
talks
thank
very
you very
politely.
much. You have spoken for 2 minutes. Overall, it's quite good, I would say. Initially, when you started, there was the mixture of present and past tense. Your topic
Okay.
was in the past tense,
Past
but you are
tense.
mixing it with present.
Yes.
Then you have mistakes related to subject-verb agreement, like she gives. You said she give, she write, she provide. It should be she writes, she
She
provides.
writes.
Or otherwise, if it is past tense, you would say she gave.
Okay.
Then you made several sentences without properly connecting them. So connectivity of ideas is another important thing. And I noticed at one point you used the same words time and again. So you need to come up with a variety of words to express yourself. And at one point you took a pause as well, so try to make it more fluent than this. So mainly you need to focus your grammatical range
Okay.
and vocabulary. Fluency is there. Pronunciation is fine. There's no issue with that. I mean, no serious issue. But the
Okay.
serious issues are with grammar
Grammar.
and vocabulary. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 6 band.